tips today. Well, let's see. You may be wondering, how do I do this? When I say this, I'm talking about face cam. So, let's show you how I do it. So, as you know, I'm in iMovie, so projects, click that, edit, so I've got that, then I could say this, click that, and then we click, move that playhead away from me. Different overlays, but so basically click that and you're doing overlay, but of course this is screen recorded, so it won't work. Another thing, adding audio. How do I do that? Well, this is how I do that. So, as you know, I'm back in iMovie. I click on the project, you click edit, click plus, audio, depending what you want, you could have sound effects like you could have that, or imported. They're the ones I have, or you could have theme music. Or you could have your playlist, artists, songs, things like that. That is how I do my audio and overlays. But what about, what's that other one called? How? And, well, this is how I stand up my phone. So you may be wondering, how do I do this? At the moment you're looking at the same screen being processed, so it's a bit awkward. So that is how I stand it up. I have this mini tripod right here. Another thing, how do I transfer the videos? Well, simply because, as you know, that you can't have screen recording on iOS 9 point something. Yeah, I don't know what that is. So that one's going, don't need that one. So I simply click that. I select all these. Then I click the share button at the top right corner there. Then, that, of course, there's something called AirDrop. My phone will still come up. Then it magically appears, so I click on that. And it's going to send to my iPhone. Subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Check out my Discord server, links in the description. Also check out my website, links in the description. And like the button and smash the like button if you like this video. Bye!